caught one.
Tear its wings up, then it won't bug us anymore.
No way, I found a fly with no wings. So, I hate these stupid things. I should tear its legs off just to be mean. And then it won't bug me anymore.
It's a roll.
A fly with no wings and no legs? Off with the head.
I love this.
Dude, is that a raisin?
That was not a raisin. That was definitely a fly. Stop bugging me.
Wow.